Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for BDO online banking. To begin, navigate to the official BDO website. You will need to have your BDO ATM card or credit card readily available. Additionally, prepare your account number and other essential personal details. This initial step is crucial for a smooth and successful enrollment process, ensuring all necessary information is at hand before you proceed. Next, you will select the specific type of account you wish to enroll, whether it is a savings or checking account. Carefully input your BDO account number and your ATM card number into the designated fields. Following this, create a unique username and a strong, secure password. Remember, a robust password is vital for protecting your financial information online. After entering your details, take a moment to carefully review all the information you have provided. This ensures accuracy before moving forward. A one-time PIN, or OTP, will then be sent to your registered mobile number. Promptly enter this 6-digit one-time PIN into the system to successfully complete the enrollment and activate your new online banking account. Congratulations! You can now log into your BDO online banking account using your newly created username and password. Once logged in, you are free to explore the various features available, such as checking your balance, transferring funds, and paying bills. Enjoy the convenience of managing your BDO accounts securely and efficiently from anywhere, at any time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.